Hey there, it's Umar Racing. In this video, I'll be installing 6 catch can, universal catch can for the Elantra N. They sell the catch can as a universal kit, and the actual bracket is custom to the car. This is how the catch can looks like. Here goes six element engineering. I have sun in the back, so hopefully I'll be able to extract some of the details out of this. So here's a little how it looks like. A little mesh in there that will catch some of the blow-by. Yeah, I think a lot of people know why you would need a catch can. If you don't know, there are lots of videos out there. Engineering Explained has a video. Highly recommend watching those. TLDR, gasoline directed injection cars, they have blow-by for a bunch of different reasons. One of them is emissions. So yeah, anyways, I have like a magnetic mount to put my GoPro under the hood, so I'm gonna flip it over and then so that you can see the install process from the top. It'll be a cool angle. So anyways, let's do this. Hey there, I just want to quickly interrupt the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, definitely do. I have a lot of Elantra N content coming, a lot of racing coming, and a lot of parts install and a bunch of stuff that I'll be documenting. Recently there have been some updates where I've joined the 6 Elements affiliate program, and I finally have a code that I can share with you all so you can save 5% on all your orders. This does support me. I do get a kickback, which it's mutually kind of beneficial for all of us. And yeah, you can get this catch can for all the cars that they support, especially in the Elantra N. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you. All right, we'll take the engine bay out. We'll take the engine cover out. And first, I think it's like a 17 mil bolt here. We'll undo bolt here and then we'll put the bracket on top. So I'll go get that. 17. Loosen this up. There we go. Bolt is out. It is hot as shit because I probably should have waited for the car to cool down. Here are the 2 hoses that will replace some of the existing ones. And then I'll take out the bracket. This is the bracket. I will connect it to the can, and I'll also connect some other stuff to the can itself. So what I like about the N cars is that they have a little section here to put stuff. Put your tools and everything. Probably every car is like that, but so first we'll put let's set up the can, and I'll put these fittings here. I'm not sure what size these are. These look like maybe they're 20 something. So I'll go get like a wrench and tighten these. I got like an adjustable wrench here to tighten this. Doesn't need to be just needs to be snug. Next up, I'll grab a screwdriver and we'll get the top of the bracket done. It's so nice to have this mount here. I can so easily see what I'm doing. The bracket roughly sits like this, and it will roughly be like this. So I'm gonna get all the different washer and screws here. Make sure to not drop anything. I like to do that. Oh, this one is a hex. Should have probably watched the video, but I'll go get a hex one from my toolkit. I'm gonna just hand tighten them for now, and then we'll tighten them properly after the fact. So here we go. Let's get our bolt here. Let's cool down a little bit. Slide this in there. It's interesting that the engine mount has the build date. So we're good there. I'll torque that in later. All right, after this, we'll have to remove these PCV hoses here with a plier and then connect the right sections. So yeah, let's do that. All right, since my engine bay is a little bit hot, GoPro's getting hot too, so I have to be careful, but should be fine so far. So let's remove this here. One of the reasons why it's not coming out so easily is probably it's also because it's hot. This is one of the hoses that will go in there and then here. And then I'll use hose clamps to connect those. And then as far as this one, honestly we might need to wait for the engine bay to cool down a little bit. Oh, here we go. Came out. We'll need a flathead screwdriver. So I will get that now. I want to set up the screwing part to be easily accessible with a screwdriver. It's hot. God, the engine is so hot. So tightening the bottom part here. I think that's good enough for now. I'll get another larger one. So here you can see, I think it goes from like 1/2 inch to 3/4 or something. That's how the previous kit that I had from AdW1, that's how it will work. So I assume it's gonna be pointing this way, because this way it's not gonna be as comfortable to do. So I got that top part in, and then now we tighten these clamps. This is the part that goes back into the engine, into the intake manifold. Alright, I resumed this from my phone, so I already did the T side here, and I already connected this side here. And in here we need to put the one-way check valve, so I'll do that right now. Here you can see the direction is correct, coming out of the can into the intake manifold. So I will connect this in a second. And here you go. This is the final version. Tightened everything. I still need to torque that the engine mount bolt, but I'll do that a little bit later. I need to go eat. And here you go, one-way check valve installed, zip ties all connected, and then I'll put the engine cover back on, and that's it. The reason why I switched to my phone is because my GoPro overheated. So let's put the engine cover on and finish this. That's it. This is the 6 cat fan install on the Elantra N. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.